How to screen record your iPhone. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to screen record your iPhone, it is really simple and really easy to do so. So basically, whatever iPhone you have, recording your screen on it is absolutely a piece of cake. All you're going to want to do is basically once your iPhone interface is opened up, you're going to pull down your utilities bar just as so. And basically, what's going to happen over there is once you pull it down, over there you're going to see tons of options like, Wi-Fi, voice memo, Shazam, etc. You're always going to see this option right here. That's going to be a circle. So a gray circle embedded in a white circle. And it's going to say screen recording. All you're going to do is you're simply going to hit it. And once you click on it, it's going to give you 3 seconds. And after that, the screen recording starts. And you can simply end the screen recording by either hitting the power button or simply pulling up your utilities bar and clicking on this button again. And once you do that, your screen is going to be recorded in the easiest way. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.